everyone and welcome to my tutorial with yet another video on interview skills. I'm Gargi and I'm going to take you through the entire journey of interview process through 4P method. That is your prepare, practice, present and participate. In my previous video on interview skills, I have shared with you the top 5 rules of preparation before a job interview, which I would suggest you to watch for your better understanding of the preparation before a job interview. For your reference, I have mentioned the link in the description box below. Coming back to the session of the 4P method of the interview process, the first step is your preparation. Prepare yourself just the way you get prepared before your exam. Update your CV with your latest educational qualifications, professional qualifications, latest achievements and also your latest job responsibilities with your work experiences, which is very important. Do some research about the company that you are going for the interview. Go online and read about the good attributes about the company, the history, the product, etc. This will help you to be more confident and show your interest at the time of your interview. Get prepared with some frequently asked questions like tell me something about yourself, what do you know about the company, or why should we hire you, etc. This is also very important for you to understand the exact location of the job place with your duration and also how to commute to that place. The second step would be your practice, which is the second P in the 4P method. Practice the answers of the frequently asked question in front of the mirror and if possible do the recording of it to understand your body language, your tone of voice and the clarity of your speech. Remember, you are the best judge for yourself, so be very honest to improve on those aspects. First impression is the last and the lasting impression. So you will not get more than 10 minutes to impress your hiring manager. So be well prepared with your formal attire. Remember, the color of your formal attire should not be very bright. Avoid holding negative thoughts of not getting selected. This is the law of attraction. The positive thinking will attract your positivity. The third step is your present. So avoid staying up late at night. Avoid overeating or having carbonated soft beverages just before your interview. Reach at least 10 to 15 minutes early. In case you are unable to be there on time or on the scheduled date, please make sure you inform the concerned person about the same. This will help you to reschedule your interview in future and will also prove your act of responsibility. Be prepared and be there in your formal attire as per the corporate settings. The fourth step of the 4P method of the interview process is your participation. Carry your updated CV and make sure you also carry all the required documents that has been asked for you to carry before your interview. Greet everyone with smile and maintain eye contact throughout the interview. Sit only you are asked to be seated. Be alert and be an active listener during the interview. Sit up straight and don't be in hurry. Show your enthusiasm and interest for the job. Never speak negative about the previous company or your previous manager. This gives a negative impression of you in front of your hiring manager. Ask for clarifications if you have any doubts instead of answering it wrong. Finally, once you are done with the interview, thank the interviewer and leave the room. So that brings to the end of today's session on 4P method of interview process, which you may use and come out with flying colors and land to your dream jobs. If you find the video to be meaningful, please don't forget to like and share it with your friends and family. And if in case you have any questions on professional development, you may also write your comments in the comment section. To get more updates on my upcoming videos on professional development, please don't forget to click the bell icon to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to catch you all soon with the next session on professional development. Till then, be safe and keep listening to my tutorial, Professional Development with Gargi.